Hey, what's your Wi-Fi password? It's one of the first questions people have when they're new to your office. When clients connect to your Wi-Fi, they're connecting to your wireless local area network called a WLAN. WLANs extend your network by giving wireless devices connectivity to your wired network. You can add several different WLANs in a network. Cisco recommends a maximum of 4. With Cisco Business Wireless Access Points, a primary AP will distribute any new WLANs out to all connected APs. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to add a new WLAN with advanced settings/expert mode on Cisco Business Wireless Access Points. To begin, log into the CBW AP and make sure you select the Expert View settings. Then, navigate to Wireless Settings. Under WLAN, you will see all the current wireless LANs that are configured in the CBW AP. Since this AP is your primary and is managing the others, you will only need to create a new WLAN in one place. Your primary AP will create that WLAN and will distribute it to all the other connected APs. So first, go ahead and click on Add New WLAN and select a WLAN ID. Next, enter a profile name and the Service Set Identifier, SSID. The SSID will be the name that appears for your clients, so you will want to name it appropriately. Make sure that the WLAN is enabled. Under radio, you can select the radio frequency to either a 2.4 GHz or a 5 GHz radio. For this example, I selected 2.4 GHz. Enable the broadcast SSID so that the clients join the WLAN that you are creating. Then, click on Wlan Security. You can enable a guest network. This will allow you to configure a splash page that will appear when clients attempt to connect. In this case, I don't want to create a splash page for clients, so I'll set this to Disabled. If you want to filter the clients by MAC address, then enable MAC filtering. I'll leave this as Disabled. You have a few options for security type. If you select Open, all clients will be able to connect to the WLAN without entering any passwords. If you select WPA2 or WPA3 Personal, you can set a password for clients to enter when connecting to the WLAN. If you choose WPA Enterprise or Central Web Auth, you must have a Radius server set up to authenticate clients. For this example, I will leave this as WPA2. Next, select the passphrase format encryption as ASCII and enter a passphrase. Then, confirm the passphrase. Moving along to the next tab, click on VLAN and Firewall. Proceed by leaving all of the settings to default. Next, go over to the Traffic Shaping tab. This has some advanced options that allow for bandwidth control. In this example, I will leave the options as default. You should leave Scheduling disabled if you want the WLAN available without any interruptions. Proceed by clicking on Apply. So here you can see that WLAN 10 was created. Since this is the primary AP, it will send the WLANs to all the connected APs as well. You have now configured a WLAN on the CBW AP with advanced settings/expert mode on your CBW AP. Repeat the process if you want to add an additional WLAN. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.